Lily's first day of school. Lily woke up early, her heart fluttering with excitement and nervousness. Today was her first day of school. She had been dreaming about this day for weeks, picking out her pink backpack, neatly placing her pencils in her unicorn pencil case, and trying on her new blue dress. As she held her mother's hand on the way to school, she saw other children walking, laughing, and carrying colorful bags just like hers. But what if no one talked to her? What if she got lost? When they arrived, her teacher, Miss Emma, greeted her with a warm smile. "Welcome, Lily. We're so happy to have you here." The classroom was bright and filled with books, toys, and drawings. She spotted a little girl with curly hair coloring a picture. Taking a deep breath, Lily walked over. "Hi, I'm Lily. Can I color with you?" The girl smiled. "I'm Sophie. Of course." As they giggled and colored together, Lily forgot all about her fears. The day was filled with fun, singing songs, listening to stories, and playing outside. When the final bell rang, Lily ran to her mom with a big smile. "Mommy, school is amazing. I made a new friend." And just like that, Lily knew school was going to be a wonderful adventure. The end.